YouTube fam what's good, y'all? It's your boy JTSG. Yes, Jay the Sneaker Guy. Jay the Sneaker Guy, man. What's popping with it, man? Look, today, man. First of all, how y'all feeling, man? We are in full-fledged holiday spirits. Last minute running around going crazy for the holidays, man. Hopefully you are getting ready to chill it with your loved ones and, you know, just people that you care near and dear to you. And if, you know, you can so-called say you ain't got nobody there, man, I'm here for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy Jay is dropping this content. I'm here for y'all, man. Just tune in and I'm gonna chill y'all up. It's all good, man. You know, if it ain't going good right now, it'll get good later on. You know what I'm saying? So don't rush it. You know, it's just gonna come when it comes. So just cheer up. You know what I'm saying? Rock out with your boy Jay over here, and we gonna have good times as always. But yes, with that being said, rocking out, y'all. Look, I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all, man, for rocking out with your boy Jay, man. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be here, man. Taking y'all a real quick trip down memory lane, y'all. Back when I first started, man, it was so many times, so many videos I dropped where I was like, bruh, I ain't doing this again, bruh. I done spent 8 hours, 9 hours preparing this video, editing it, filming it, and I only got 100 views, man. Like, dang, bruh. Dang, but y'all kept hitting me up in the comments like, bruh, when you gonna drop the next video? When you gonna? So, hey, man, it's y'all, bruh. Truly appreciate y'all. And on the note of that, man, look, I've been showing y'all the subscriber count a lot lately, y'all, because it seems like every other day we hitting another number, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all, man. I truly appreciate each and every one, all the OGs of the fam, all the new members for helping your boy reach yet another milestone, man. We are 18K away from 200,000, y'all, and that's nothing to the fam, man. We growing each and every day. If this is y'all first time stopping through, man, go ahead, be a part of the fam over here. Hit that subscribe button. Double check, man. If you are a just continuous viewer, just double check and make sure that you still subscribe, because y'all would be just wowed by how many people tell me that they get unsubscribed 3 and 4 times by YouTube automatically. Like, they be like, bro, I keep having to sub to your channel. Like, just double check, because they be on that bull, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, today's video, I do want to talk to you guys about this year's potential best holiday sneaker release. It did release a couple weeks back. I didn't show it to y'all, but I did hit for retail. It finally came in, as well as another shoe that I want to say you might want to grab them before it's too late, because this price can go up at any moment. And yeah, man, it might be the right time to get it now. But before we get into that, y'all, I do want to talk to y'all about some recent activity, man. So y'all liking Nike SBs, huh? Y'all liking them SBs? I'm gonna let y'all know from now, man. This is gonna be our new Nike SB headquarters, because we about to start going crazy, man. Your boy Jay has been a fan of the Nike SBs. I have been copping here and there. I have tons of SBs in my collection that are dead stock, not because I'm just keeping them that way. It's just because I haven't came around to wearing them. A lot of the times, my shoes get worn quicker than expected due to the fact that I am a content creator. So I do have to put it on to make content for you guys. But if I don't do content with it, I normally just put it up for my usual, maybe a year or two, and then pull them out when the shoe is forgotten about. That's just my thing. I don't pull out shoes as soon as they drop, but I have been wearing shoes, you know, prior to drops, because of, like I said, I am a content creator. But with that being said, y'all, I have tons of SBs in my collection that I did not review on the channel. But I do know now, moving forward, any SBs that I will pick up, I gotta make sure I hit y'all with a detailed review on feed, because y'all showed up and showed out for the Nike SB Dunk Low Wizard of Oz's, y'all. Bang! Yes, sir, man. These released yesterday, and hey, man, I appreciate y'all for the feedback that y'all gave me on this one. I tell y'all, I listen to y'all. I see what's going on. Y'all killed the comment section. Y'all was roasting your boy Jay about not seeing the movie The Wizard of Oz. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I'm sorry. Like, I can tell you about Shotters, I can tell you about Belly, I can tell you about Paid in Full. Let me stop. That has nothing to do with it. But I personally haven't seen The Wizard of Oz, but I am a fan of the shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? This shoe does have a lot of attention around it. That is why I brought it to the channel, and I do like the shoe. When I saw it in person, it actually looks better in hand, and you know, like I said, y'all, I do this. I style up shoes and different things, and you know, I want to bring y'all this type of content. But let me know, man. A lot of y'all was saying y'all like the cut look of them, y'all. Y'all said y'all like how I cut them up like this, and you know, hey, it is what it is. I truly appreciate the feedback. But yes, just know that we will be going crazy with SB Dunks over here on the channel. Shout out to everybody who tapped into that video and left feedback. But outside of that, man, we got another banger and another special thing that we have going on All because of y'all. Woo! These beauties. Bang! Y'all, so yes, it is that time. It is that time, man. So I will officially be throwing these on feet as soon as Christmas. I think I'm gonna give y'all this Christmas Day treat on these, man. We gonna go crazy for these because y'all did run the likes up, man. Y'all kept y'all end of the bargain. It's only right for me to keep mine, y'all. Y'all got this video up to 2.5K likes and counting, man. So I truly appreciate y'all. Just know that I will have the on feet to these coming ASAP. Like I said, Christmas the latest. So it might not be tomorrow, but I would guarantee that y'all can expect this on Christmas, man. The Jordan 4 rare ass, man, fire pair of shoes. Y'all comment down below, man. Is there anything else that y'all would like to see on the channel that y'all haven't seen yet? And I'm gonna take a look into it and I'll see if I can make it happen over here on the channel, because like I said, y'all, I do it for the fam, man. But our rare airs, we do have an early look. We ain't gonna do the movie yet. We got an early look for these coming soon as Christmas, y'all, so stay tuned to that. But yes, man, the topic of this video was, of course, is this shoe the best Christmas release of this year? Show y'all that shoe, and I do want to show y'all another release that I'm a little bit more excited for. So we're gonna kind of save the best for last on this one. I haven't seen that last one yet, but I have seen these Muhammad Ali joints. You gonna get what I say that in a second. Woo! Appreciate you. Bang! So yes, sir, man. Undefeated did come through, y'all. Undefeated did come through with a W. I tried to go for these via the sneakers app, and I got that good old L, y'all. But yes, man, I did hit manually via Undefeated, and my box is here. Let me show you guys what I picked up from Undefeated. And yes, y'all, my streak lately, y'all, I am undefeated, y'all. I have been undefeated lately. I do have, like I said, y'all, the Muhammad Ali joints right here. And we do got some undefeated paperwork in here. We do got my information on here, so we're not gonna show that. $270. Why did I pay so much? $270 is what I pay for these after taxes and stuff, y'all. But get that up out of here. We do have the Kobe box, y'all, and this is a big box. You already know what time it is, y'all. Bang, y'all. This is my first time seeing this pair in hand, y'all. This is the Kobe 6 Elite Pro High. Color blocking is bright crimson, black, white. This is a size 9.5, y'all. I think these will be going on my feet on Christmas Day, y'all. I will be wearing these on Christmas Day. I might do a little Christmas pic, y'all, on feet. So follow me on Instagram. But all black interior box, man. We ain't even gonna waste no time. In here, I do have the Kobe 6 Pro High Christmas, y'all. Bang! Yes, sir, man. I got the Christmas joints on deck, y'all. Like I said, y'all, I have been going crazy when it comes to Kobe's, y'all. I have been going ridiculously crazy, man. Shout out to just Kobe, I guess, man. Kobe has been my good luck charm. He making sure Jay get them shoes, y'all. And let me know, y'all, this is another shoe, y'all. This is another shoe. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I have not been hitting y'all with any on feet to any Kobe's, y'all. No on feet to any Kobe's. Do you guys want to see any Kobe's on the channel? Let me know, y'all. This is a big boy. This look like a ski boot. It look like I can go skiing in these things, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you, but these things is, yeah, the Muhammad Ali joints, y'all. Bang! Here we have them, y'all. Now this is a big shoe, man. But your boy Jay got some ideas. Like I said, y'all, this is going to be my holiday shoe for this year. Is this the best Christmas release of the year, man? We did have a few other ones. Of course, we got the KD Christmases came out. I'm picking these over the KD Christmases, y'all. That's just me. This isn't the best looking Christmas shoe overall, in my opinion, because the silhouette is a little too bulky. These might have looked better in a low top, but I mean, for this year, I'd say that I might go these for the best release when it comes to Christmas for this year. Your boy Jay is gonna do something special with the laces, man, so stay tuned. Like I said, follow me on Instagram if you don't already. But yeah, man, the Kobe high top boxing joints is what I call these, man. I did pick up a pair of these, and yes, these will be worn, y'all. No ifs, ands, or buts about it, man. You do got the green little hits all throughout the shoe. You got the green on the back. Christmas themed, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, your boy Jay will be pulling these out this Christmas, y'all. Y'all comment down below, man. Comment down below, is this your favorite Christmas release of the year? Like I said, it is a big shoe, man. But let me set these back here for a second so we can get into, of course, one of my favorites, y'all, for, of course, this video, y'all. Let's check out these shoes that I have yet to see. Appreciate you. Bang! Bro, how ironic is it? The tape kind of goes with my shirt, bro. Look how matchy that is, bro. That might be my thumbnail. But anyways, y'all, we do have the package here, man. This one, your boy Jay had to go to GOAT, y'all. I had to go to GOAT for these. I struck out, man. These didn't release online, and I took an L on them, but I ran the GOAT real quick because I do have a previous version of this shoe, and I didn't want to waste no time, man. The previous version of these are going for, bruh, over $1,000, easy, over $1,000. These are right around like $400 after your fees and such, but I do see these going up. This is my first time seeing these in hand. This was a recent release. I want to say these released like last week, y'all. These might have released last week, and I do have a pair here of Asics, y'all. You seen that box before, yeah. Asics and Galleria department, y'all. Bang! So yes, man, we got some Asics with the Galleria department logo right here on it. Size tag on this one does read gel K1011. Color blocking is white pure silver. I went with a size mine, wouldn't you know. Size mine on these, y'all. So I did go true to size on these. Asics for the most part fit normally true to size. When we pop open the box, we are greeted by some GOAT detailing, and we do get a little, I guess, Asics QR sticker right there in the back, and we got some Galleria department paper. As you can see, it got Galleria department written all throughout it. And the shoe that I do have here that I would suggest you jump on now if you're interested in them is the Galleria department. Asics gel K1011s, y'all. Bang! Yes, sir. If you know, you know. And I'm rocking it with a fit just like what I got on, y'all, man. Just cool. Nice little summer fit, man. But yes, man. These Asics joints, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are in the building, y'all. Look. Your boy Jay is not just a Nike guy, bro. I'm all over the place with it, man. And I know y'all want to say I'm a hype beast. I mean, that's cool because I am a hype beast. I like limited things. You know, I love that, you know what I'm saying? But I do have some just regular, of course, Asics. This isn't, you know, my only pair. I got a few pairs, different colorways in Asics that have no type of hype to them. But these, yeah, man. Whew. Yeah, man. Had to have them, y'all. Let me know. Bang! So here we have them, man. Your boy Jay had to snag up a pair, y'all. Because like I said, if you remember, the previous Asics collab with, of course, Galleria department went sky high, and it is still going up on them right now as we speak, y'all. But these right here, man, these go crazy, y'all. And shout out to the wifey, man. Shout out to my wife because she's the one that actually got this for me, man. She a real one, y'all. So she actually got these for me, and yeah, man, salute to her for these, man. But as you can see them, these joints are clean. You do have the Galleria department tab on the back, the Asics logo above that. Y'all, I'm a fan, man. We do have the Galleria department and Asics stuff on the tag. Y'all, I'm a fan of it, y'all. Take a look at the toe box. You do have the PT and the DE right there on it. You do got the yellow hits. You got the red hits, man. Shout out to Cool Kai, y'all. He did make a jacket for these, y'all. And that jacket would set off my fit, y'all. If I'm rocking that jacket with what I have on right now, y'all, right over this, y'all, I think that would be a good look. I'm going to have to reach out to him, man. Cool Kai, I'm gonna be hitting you up, my boy. I need that jacket. So I'm gonna reach out to him and see if he can look out for me on that jacket. And we'll see if I can get that over here on the channel, y'all. As well as I'll style it up on the ground, man. So y'all just wait around for it. You gonna see me in this same exact outfit with that jacket that Cool Kai got, y'all. And we gonna go crazy with them. But y'all, let me know your thoughts on these Asics. Is it a W? Is it an L, y'all? But I just wanted to show y'all a couple things that I feel like y'all might want to grab now. Especially this one before the price goes up. I mean, the Kobe's, those might not go up so quick, but these, I'd say you want to grab them now, man. Let me show y'all the other Galleria departments too as well. Yes, sir, the OG Galleria joints, man. Your boy Jay has them on deck as well. And yes, still DS, need to go on feet, y'all. I'm gonna make it happen, I promise y'all. Your boy Jay is about to throw these on feet. Let me know, do y'all want to see some fits and things with shoes such as these? Y'all let me know, because like I said, I do it for y'all. If y'all want to see any type of content surrounding like any type of Asics, it doesn't have to be hype or anything like that, y'all let me know, man. And we gon' get in our bag over here, y'all. But I'm a fan, y'all. Comment down below, which one are y'all more so a fan of, y'all? Like, I don't know, I'm gonna be real with y'all. Although this might be the more hype and the more limited one of both of them, I think I might like these better, y'all. These are more wearable in my opinion. It's not so crazy as these with all the paint splatters and stuff on it, y'all. So I'm gonna be real, I think I might go more so leaning towards this, because this doesn't really give off too much crazy collab vibes. It looks like a regular Asics with, of course, the DE and the PT. That's the only thing that kind of screams out collab or something. But outside of that, y'all, this just looks like a regular dope colorway in Asics. But y'all let me know which ones y'all are going with, y'all. Y'all going OG or y'all going, of course, the 2024 Asics collab. But that is it for this one. Just wanted to chop it up with y'all, man, and show y'all some appreciation. My appreciation to y'all about, you know what I'm saying, watching the vids and just subbing to the channel, man. I truly appreciate y'all. But that is it. Your boy Jay is gone. We got them rare airs coming soon on feet. Let me know. I ain't gonna do no lace swaps. We gonna save that for the movie, y'all. But I'm gonna give y'all a clean on feet look at those, man. So with that being said, I'm checking out. Appreciate y'all as always. Hit that thumbs up. More content, more movies, all that stuff on the way. And yeah, man, if you down for the holidays, man, send me a DM, bro. I will chop it up with y'all, man. Like I will dead A. I don't cuss on this channel, but I will chop it up with y'all, bro. So you know, never feel like you lonely, you know what I'm saying? And if you're in a situation or a position right now that you might not feel like or think you should be in, you know what I'm saying, just know it's alright, bro. It's alright, man. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better, man. Happy holidays from my family to your family. And cheer up, bro. It's all good, man. We blessed to be breathing, man. So life, long as we alive, man, we can make a change. We can make a difference, y'all. It'll get better. Just wanted to spread that out there. I don't know who needed to hear that, but that was on my chest to say that. So yeah, man, family strong, bro. Appreciate y'all. 182K is here, 200K on the way. I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. Out of here. Peace.